Hello friends, welcome back. How are you all? Friends, today I'm going to do the messages from your person, love messages, what they are thinking right now about you and what they want to convey you right now actually. Just see, such a clear answers are coming. Princess of Cup. They know that you are their princess or prince, whatever that they are. If you are a male watching it, then your person is a your person is definitely thinking about you as a prince, you can say that. And your person is very emotional right now. They know how much you love them and they never accepted your love. Now they want to express their love towards you. They are feeling very emotional and love feelings. Princess of Cups is a completely love card. Actually, it's full of emotions, full of love. Actually, person is full of heart. They want to express their feelings to you. But see, this person is not that happy. You can see in this, they are not in that position to tell you, but definitely they feel love for you. You can say that they know that you are their king or a queen actually, and you are waiting for them, and they are telling you that no need to worry and no need to cry. They will definitely come towards you. Their person is trying to tell you, just see, you're stressing so much, you're not sleeping. Your person is telling that they will come towards you. So don't stress, my love. If you are stressing yourself, you are not sleeping, then don't bother, because I love you, and my love for you is genuine. They are trying to tell you. They are definitely looking into the memories. Just you have opened your box and you are looking all about all the memories they had with your person, and how much they loved you in the past, and all of a sudden what happened, this person left you, they left, or they went towards third party. All this kind of thinking, all this kind of thoughts you are thinking right now. So a person is trying to pacify you by telling that don't stress yourself at all, my love, I am with you. They are telling you this way. And this is the Queen of Cups card. Again, your person is completely in a heart space. You can say that they can feel your love at the same time, and exactly at same thing they are mirroring you. You can say they are mirroring you. And this is the full moon. On the night of full moon, they must have missed you a lot. I can say that your person is feeling your love. They want to express their love. Just see, this person is holding a cup in his hand, and they want to give this cup to you. You can say that they are feeling so much love for you. Three of Cups card is coming and Five of Arrows card is coming. They are telling you that they have completely moved away from the third party situation. Whatever third party situation was there in their life, or other person was there in their life, they are completely moving away from that person. Just see, that person is trying to stop your person. The third party is trying to stop your person, but your person is not at all interested in third party situation or any other karmic relationship. If you are, something is bothering you this way, that your person is with third party, or they are not going to come towards you or something like that, then your person is telling you that if they are at present in the third party relationship, then they are telling that they are moving away from them. And if suppose you don't know whether they are in the third party or not, then your person is telling you that they are completely away from third party. They are not into it at all. They have come long way from that. They have left all those third parties long back. And the magic card is coming. Now a person has turned mature and they want to express their love towards you. Just see, these two persons are seen in this magic card. They know that you both together are going to create a magic, and your both of you as a couple are a magic. You know, they even know that they have some kind of magic in you that pulls them towards you. This thing is a person is trying to tell you. This person is feeling very emotional right now. They are in complete emotional energy, and Scorpio is a water sign. So maybe because of this energy changing also, after 22nd the Mars has moved into the Scorpio into the Aries sign. Because of that also, the other person must be feeling very emotional right now. I feel that way, and they are feeling love towards you. Just see, wow, what a beautiful card is coming. Chivalry card is coming. Your person is extremely respectful towards you right now. They now know that how much you love them, how much perseverance you have shown, how much faithfulness you have shown. All these things your person has realized. Now they have tremendous respect for you, love for you. They want to come towards you with these flowers and a gift or something like that. They know you deserve this love, and they know that actually sometimes they feel that they are worthy or not of this love. They sometimes feel that they are not worthy of you, and they have deceived you so much in the past, and sometimes they even feel that how can this person love me so much if after I have done so many wrong things with this person. What kind of person you are, they are thinking this way also. Okay, so how much unconditional love you have shown them, this has overwhelmed them, you can say that they are overwhelmed completely, and they are feeling very very emotional right now. Divine masculine, a person is in a divine masculine energy. These runners are always in a distorted masculine energies, but right now this person is changing and coming into divine masculine energy. They are feeling the love for you, and they are completely in a divine masculine. Means what? A person who is ready to take action, the person who is clear in his thoughts, the person who knows that who is my partner, and they are most respectful and very very genuine. They know how to express themselves, they are courageous. This kind of person is divine masculine person. They are not afraid of anything. This kind of person is divine masculine. Your person is turning into that divine masculine, you can say that. So, and they are definitely thinking about dating you. I am telling you twice it has come. They want to give you flowers or gifts or something like that. They want to and completely pamper you. This kind of feeling I am getting. A person wants really, I want to pamper you, I want to make love with you, I want to shower gifts on you, you can, my love on you, you can say that. This kind of feeling is going on in your person's life. This illuminosity has come in your person's life only because of you. The shine you bring in your person's life, the happiness you bring in your person's life, all these things have realized, your person has realized now, and they want to date you, they want to go on a next level with you. They are telling you this thing. They feel that when you are in their life is very very happy, and they feel luminosity all around them, they feel brightness in their life. This kind of feeling your person has when you are around them. So this thing your person is trying to tell, I feel this. Let me see what your person wants to tell you, some messages from your person. I know deep inside that your love is true and we are made for each other. Let's say a person is trying to tell you that they know that this love is very very true, and you both are made for each other. They definitely know that this, you both are God made, soul made, twin flame. This kind of connection they are definitely feeling. I am trying to overcome all the obstacles. Your person is trying to overcome all the obstacles. What are the little bit of obstacles have remained in you, between you and your person? They are trying to overcome them. They know they know that you both are soulmates. They know that you both are soulmates or twin flames, whatever you call it. They are trying to tell you that your person is definitely thinking a lot about you all. They have overcome all the karmic situations, they are telling you. Now they know that who is their karmic and who is their soulmate. Now they have realized it. So your person is trying to tell you all these things. Now let me see what is actually going on in your person's mind. One more thing. Deserving, they know that you are the most deserving person in their life, and they want you only in their life. They are telling you this, and your higher self, they are connecting with their higher self, and they are connecting with you in the higher self. They are trying to tell you that please come in the higher self and listen to my love, what I am trying to tell you. Though in 3D I am not coming right now, but my love for you is genuine, and try to connect me within the 5D. Your person is telling you. Family, friends and guides, your person is being guided by family, friends or guides. They are helping your person to move forward. Some of the good friends, I can say that they are definitely guiding them. And status quo, they are not bothered about the status quo between both of you right now. Whatever status difference or whatever financial difference you both have there, or whatever difference you both have, they are not bothered about that, or age difference, anything it can happen, but your person is not bothered about all these things they are telling you. Hope you got some idea what your person is trying to tell you. Hope friends who like the link, please like and subscribe.